This dotted line is your baseline. This is yours. This dashed line is another Ranger Raptor na gawa namin na detress na exhaust. Let's try to put up a stock one. Ayun, that's stock Raptor. Wala, laglag talaga yung sayo sa ilalim.
Ano yung stock din?
Ito yung stock. This is yours. Ba't ganun? Wala, mali yung exhaust. Okay, this is our Ranger Raptor that has a combination exhaust, 3-inch downpipe, then 2.5-inch towards the back, and then the stock Raptor actually has the exhaust terminating just before the rear wheels. This one had to extend all the way to the back with nice, fancy, shiny muffler tips. But here's the problem: this dotted red line is this current Raptor here. This dashed red line is a Raptor we did with 3-inch exhaust, full, and same stock configuration. As you can see here, there is a significant loss of power at the low end RPM. So you do not combine 2 inches and 3 inches into one exhaust. That is totally wrong. But since we're going to be getting Unichip anyway, here's the result of after it's been tuned. Nabawi din naman kahit papaano. So remember the dotted line, this is a stock, this is tuned now with Unichip. So at the very bottom here, this is 100 to 80, that's 80 horses increase. And from here, 130 to 200, that's 70, all the way up here. Peak to peak, so we were at 218 before, we're now at 264. Nice.